In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Finance Tracker 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing in to Notion. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. From your sidebar, click Add Page to create a fresh workspace for your finances. Give this page a clear, memorable name. Something like Budget works well so you can find it quickly later. On this new page, create a database in Table View. A table keeps everything structured and easy to update over time. Inside the table, we'll set it up to manage your budget categories and the amounts that go into each one. Begin by creating 3 rows for your categories: needs, wants, and savings. This simple structure helps you see where your money is going at a glance. If you've never used this method, it's a great starting point because it's flexible and easy to adjust as your situation changes. Next, add a number property to store the percentage of your income for each category. Rename it to something like percentage and set its display to percent so it's formatted correctly. As a starting example, many people use 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings, but feel free to adjust these to fit your goals. A quick tip: make sure the three percentages add up to 100% so your budget stays balanced. Now add a formula property for your paycheck. This keeps your table dynamic so you don't have to manually update every row. You can set the formula to a single number that represents your current paycheck amount. If you prefer to adjust it often, you can also use a regular number property instead. What matters is that the value is consistent across rows. Finally, create another formula property to calculate the budgeted amount for each category. The idea is simple: multiply your paycheck by the percentage for that row. In plain terms, it's paycheck times percentage divided by 100. Format this property as currency so the result is easy to read. As you change your paycheck or tweak percentages, the category amounts will update automatically. That's it. You now have a clean, lightweight finance tracker in Notion. Keep your categories simple, review your percentages regularly, and update the paycheck value when your income changes. Over time, this setup gives you a clear picture of where your money goes and helps you stay in control of your budget. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.